Hey there, welcome to Top Jump Creatives. Today, we're diving into the fundamental concept that drives businesses, captures attention, and influences our choices: marketing. If you've ever wondered what marketing really is, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Marketing is the heartbeat of every successful business. At its core, it's the process of creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging value for customers. It's not just about selling products. It's about understanding needs, building relationships, and crafting compelling stories. At the heart of marketing is the idea of creating value. It's not just about pushing a product onto someone. It's about offering a solution to a problem, fulfilling a need, or enhancing the quality of life. Effective marketing focuses on the customer and what they gain from the product or service. Building lasting relationships is a key aspect of marketing. It's about connecting with your audience on a personal level, understanding their preferences, and establishing trust. A satisfied customer is not just a one-time sale, but a potential advocate who can bring in more business through. Communication is the backbone of marketing. It involves creating a clear and consistent message about your product or service. This message is conveyed through various channels, from traditional advertising to digital platforms, ensuring that it reaches the right audience at the right time. Successful marketing starts with understanding your customers. This involves market research, analyzing trends, and listening to customer feedback. By knowing what your audience wants and needs, you can tailor your offerings to better meet their expectations. Marketing is dynamic, constantly evolving to meet the ever-changing landscape of consumer behavior and technology. Adapting to these changes is crucial for staying relevant. Whether it's embracing new digital platforms or adjusting strategies based on market trends. So, in a nutshell, marketing is about creating value, building relationships, effective communication, understanding customer needs, and staying adaptable in a dynamic environment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments if there are any marketing topics you'd like me to explore further. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy marketing!